Hi, my name is Ahmed Jawad MK. We are presenting our assignment, our BI dashboard for EdgeTech, business performance analysis on quality, sustainability, and sales with recommendations. Our team is team member T12 Group J. First of all, I am doing the introduction. We can see in Power BI. EdgeTech is a fast-growing technology company works on impressive projects to cater to deserve industry needs. KPI that should be analyzed include sales, customer satisfaction, employees efficiency, and profitability. And this presentation highlights the importance of data-driven decision making. And the data-driven decision making is now critical in business world. And tech is a prime technological enterprise that stand out from the crowd because of revolutionary concepts its implants across various industries. The goal of the presentation is to investigate the four key performance factors KPI and analytically and generate an executive dashboard in Power BI. Nowadays, data-driven decision making is increasingly important aspects of business management because the application of analysis obtains some competitive advantages for position to identify how performance relatives to trend and pattern as well as opportunities for improvement which will later enable the organization to achieve better business economics. The four KPI these presentations focus on are quality, profit sustainability, and sales KPI. These KPI in turn could be used for the determination of a company's performance, addressing the shortcoming as well as for the development for a strategy to running operation in a better way, improving profitability and encouraging environmentally friendly activities. Now we can see a discussion of available data in the dashboard. And the first sheet of the dataset present the order data sheet, and the second sheet of the dataset present the location data sheet. The third and the last sheet present the written data sheet. This presentation will highlight the data integration and quality numbers and location details. The order data sheet comprises a wide variety of outcomes, order details such as target information, product information, quantities, analysis, customers' behavior awareness, and productive preference identification. The location data sheet pinpoints the geographic coordination of stakeholders, such as customers and warehouses, distribution centers. The analytics of such data of region-wide sales patterns and logistics network optimization can be used to discover market opportunities. And the return data sheet consists of the same information about returned products for customers, including return ID, order ID, product name, and return date and reason for return. This information critical for historical analysis of the returning patterns, recognition of quality problems of the products, and also for customer satisfaction improvement. In this regard, it is vital to guarantee the accuracy and adequacy of the data collected as well as proper integration and consolidation of the different data sets into a system. Accuracy will integrated data as crucial for authentically driven decision and graphical representation based on data analytics. Okay, that's finished. And now we can see the KPI one, order quality.
Okay, thank you so much for your explanation. Sorry, I'm at work. This is my slide, and I'm search and regarding for some of order quantity and count of return. And the first sheet of the data sheet, data set, and present order data sheet. The second sheet of the data set present the location data sheet. The third and last sheet of the dataset present the return data sheet. The order date compares is wide, variety, and customer order data list. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, and we can see the KPI through profit and year in a dashboard. This is explaining the sum of profit by year. In this bar chart, we can see the highlights the year-wise profit trend from 2018 to 2022. This bar chart visual with a trend line shows the sum of profit by year. Profit values on the vertical axis, years on a horizontal axis. This trend line provides a positive picture of the overall profit trend from 2018 to 2022. It is very evident by this line graph design bearing a trend line that the company performance in terms of profit generating over the period of 5 years from 2018 to 2022 is indeed depicted on the chart. All bars shows the profit sum in years as a yearly bar with a height equal to profit value. The trend lines specifically give a graphical overview of the overall equation of profit so that concerned bodies can easily detect the patterns and peaks and thoughts. Facts that a different color is assigned to each year helps better and more easily computed the timeline. That's all. And next KPI 3 is product sustainability. You
Uh,
can see
okay, guys, as you see in our dashboard, I have done some research on product sustainability. In the product sustainability, I have done some count of waste generated and the count of waste not recycled from the company that we have taken the edge deck. And as you see, the pie chart highlights the count of waste generated, which is 94.29%. And the other one is the on the other hand, the count waste recycling is 5.71%. So I think so it's quite a large portion that the waste generated covers. And as you all see, the dark green area of this pie chart covers the waste generated, which is 94.29% among the project that suggests the contribute uh, data. So the lighter darker one, it's 5.71%, and that is the count waste recycled from the edge tech, and which is actually quite a sustainable amount of waste. So the waste generated contribute a quarter, which is quite a sustainable amount, but this other smaller 5% that green piece which is remaining 5%, and the percentage of which is not reduced yet stands at 5.71%. So I think so I have a suggestion that if the company changes the boost in recycling efforts, so I think so it will progress very highly, and it will give a very boost to the company, and company goes very high with these kinds of stats. So that's it. Thank you.
okay. And now I am describing our next slides. Its the topic is sales and product category. Okay. Now in the dashboard we can see the sum of sales product category, and this clustered bar chart highlights the different products categories like phones, tablets, TV and audio, gaming computer, home and outdoor that lights. And the section of the sales value is divided separately by increasing, decreasing, and total of each category. The clustered bar chart highlights the sum of sales for different product categories, and the color coding enhances the clarity and reliability of the chart. This clustered bar presented this clustered bar that displays the sum of sales for individual product categories, which are presented as increase, decrease, and total sales, is useful enough to understand the big pictures at the glance. Each category is displayed by three bars of purple, red, and green colors, where the purple dose shows a sales increases, but decreased sales are shown by red bars, while the overall sales for the category are illustrated by the green color. Such a depiction relates to the stakeholders the information about the topic selling the worst product category and the entire selling pattern of the company's product portfolio as well. This is completed, and now we are moving to our recommendation. Okay, now you can see the sum of orders, quantity, and count of return, sum of profit by year, count of waste generated, and count of waste not recycling, sum of sales by product category. Here we can say that each tech should implement advanced quality control measures, and they should optimize supply chain and logistics network. Then more importantly, they should invest in sustainable practices and technologies, explore new product opportunities in high performing categories. Each tech can eke out improved quality control practices, like for example, normal test, supply checking, and real-time monitoring that like and which pay for lesser quality defects and higher customer satisfaction. This consumer loyalty catches and returns and replacement cost diminish. Location data analysis had indefined the company's supply chain and logistics network capacity, which in turn was many improvement areas through careful selection of logistics points of distribution such as warehouse and distribution centers, which are located near the main demanded region. EdgeTech can reduce transportation cost, enhance speed of delivery, and cut its carbon footprint as a result. Through the indication provided by the waste generation and recycling data, EdgeTech is urged to follow sustainability initiatives by financing sustainable replacement of renewable energy source instead of the use of the conventional ones and the promotion of responsible resources consumption. The company the company not only reduce its environmental impact but also improve its reputation and attracting those consumers whose value judgments are in turn with a green world. Sales data analysis revealed that great promise of growth was seen in several product categories such as home, kitchen, and computing. Through the introduction of the market research, customers' feedback, and upcoming trend review, Edge Tech can offer new product categories that have been thoroughly promising. Okay, that's all. Thank you.